Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. I hope you all are doing great and learning lots by watching all the continuous episode of the series MongoDB Beginner to Master. So guys, in the previous episode we have gone through the inserting new documents in the MongoDB collection, and today in the episode number 8 we are going to understand finding the documents. So we are going to perform the find or search operation, you can say, in the existing collection. So let's see how we can do that. So there are different kind of methods available in this MongoDB, so that we are going to understand it one by one. So let's start it. So today in this episode we have to understood these functions, because these functions are very basic functions, and you can say the most commonly used function in a MongoDB to fetch the data. So here you can see the find method is there, and apart from this count method we have to see, and the sort method we have to see, and skip is just kind of replacement of offset. So and after that we are going to look on the limit method. So these five methods we are going to understand today in this episode. So let's start it by find method. So you can see here, like in the previous episode we have inserted few documents here uh, in this collection. So the collection is what post collection. So we have right now one document here. You can see one out of one it is showing. So let me insert few more documents so that we can perform search on this and we can see how this functions works well. So I'm going to put some random records here, because just to demonstrate like how the find function works well here. So here I'm going to replace it by demo 2. The title is demo 2, and again going to replace it by demo 3. Correct. Now we can see there are three documents here. We have three documents. One of You can see three documents we can see here in this collection, post collection we have. Now I'm going to show you how we can use the find method here. So if you want to show all those documents in a particular collection, so we can use the find method directly. db dot, let me type it here. db is just for the current db instance, and after that you have to pass the name of the collection. So collection name is post, and after you have to find the collections documents. So guys, you can see here, if we are using the find method without any argument, so it is simply going to return all the documents of this particular collection, that is the post collection. So you can see here, we can see all those three documents are fetched here. Now, if you want to perform some customized query, so for that we can use the extended version of find. So in the find we can pass basically two argument. The first argument is nothing but the where condition. You can see here I have mentioned a document. So whatever argument we are passing, so that should be in the form of object. So the first argument, you can see we can pass the where object. In that we can pass the condition, and in the second object we can pass the uh, number of columns what we want to fetch. That is why it is called as selected field object. So find method can take maximum two arguments. The first argument will be what, the where condition, and the second argument will be the selected condition. So by default the where condition is empty, and the by default the selected field is showing all the fields. So it is kind of asterisk, like we use in the RDBMS, we use like that, select star from the name of the table, that is post. So the same query is similar to the db dot post dot find. So you can understand here, like in the RDBMS we are fetching all the records and there is no where condition. So similar we have in the Mongo db.post.find. We are not passing any where condition. So if we are not passing, by default it is empty object, and we are not specifying the columns to be selected, so it is selecting all the columns. So again this is empty. So now we are going to have the customize. We are going to pass some parameters. We are going to pass some conditions. So how we can do that? Simply we have to write it here. Let me clean it first. So here you can see in the first argument I am going to pass few conditions like the title. So let's suppose I want to see that the post which is having the title demo 1. So see, you can see here this time we are getting only one document. It means this is the customized, you can say customized query. Here we have applied the where condition, and it is giving us the uh, proper match as per the condition. And but here you can see we are getting all the columns like title, description, and meta. Let's suppose if I want to see only the title, so how we can do that? For that we need to pass the second argument here. Here in the second argument we have to pass with the find method. So that in the second argument is again going to be an object. So here we want the title only. So title column 1. So here we have to pass 1 because we want the title column. So you can see here it is showing the title column only. Let's suppose if you want uh, two column like title and doc description. So you can see it is showing the two column, but it is not showing the third column, that is the meta. So this way guys, we can have the customize where condition, we can have the customize uh, output like what columns we want in the output, so that we can pass in the find method. So you have to make a note like find method can take only two argument. The first argument is nothing but an object, that is for where condition object, and the second object is nothing but the we can say the selected field object. So in the second object, second argument, we just specify like what column we are going to uh, expect in the output. So this is all about the find method. Now going to show you the count method. So count method is nothing but you can say it is just returning the count. Let me show you. So if I want to count, if I want to count the number of records, so we can use the count method. So here you can see we are using count method after the find. So this concept is called as method chaining. We are going to call another method on the basis of the previous method output. So the output of the find method is going to be counted as in the count method. So that is why this is called as the method chaining. So you can see here right now it is showing us 3 count because we have 3 number of documents. If we are going to apply count on the uh, conditions, so you can see here, so it will count on the basis of the condition. So how it works? So first of all, it executes the find method and performs the operation, and after that it counts like how many records are coming from there. So you can see here this time it is counting at 1 because on the basis of the condition the output coming as a single document, and that is getting counted as 1. So this way this count method works. So let's see another method. If you want to sort it, so let me show you the sorting method here. So if we are not sorting it, so by default it is showing like that demo 1, demo 2, demo 3, you can see here. So if you want to sort it on the basis of the title, then how we can sort it with the help of sort method? Let me show you. So for that, what you need to do, you need to apply only sort method here. And in the sort, again, we need to pass the one object. And in that object, we have to pass the field, like what field we want to be sorted. So we want title to be sorted. On the basis of title, we have to get the sorted record. So we have to pass it here either 1 1 is for the ascending order and -1 is for descending order. So this time we want the title should be sorted in a descending order. So that is why we are passing -1. Now let's see. Here you can see the output is coming as per expected. So title demo 3 is coming first, after the demo 2, after that demo 1. So the title is showing in the sorted manner. So this is how we can use the sort parameters. If you want to be sorted, if you want it to be sorted by multiple parameters, so you can pass it here as well. So like if you want to pass or if you want to sort on the basis of description, so you can do that as well here, like 1. So it is going to sort the data. You can see demo 3, demo 2, demo 1. Again, it is showing like that because all the descriptions are same. So this way, guys, you can use the sort method. Now let's see the limit. So let's suppose I have to limit it. I want only uh, one record every time. So we can use the limit method here, and we have to pass the count here. So you can see, however, we have three documents, but we are getting only one document. That is the first document. That is why it is giving us the demo 3 here because we have sorted it. Limit is 1. Now this way, if you want to two documents every time, so you have to pass limit as 2. Now you can see two documents are coming here. But what about if you want to perform the offset, offset and limit? So for the offset, you need to, if you want the uh, last, if you want the first record after the first, means you want to skip the first document and after that you want to read the next document. So how you can do that? So for that we have skip method here in the Mongo. So what it is going to do, ideally in case of, let me show you, like in RDBMS, what we do, we basically pass like that, select star from post limit 1 1. So what it is going to do, it is going to give us the one record after 1, means after the first record. So this is what here we have to pass skip 1. So it will skip the first record and it is going to give us the next record. So you can see here it is giving us the demo 2. Instead of it is, if I am going to make it 0, so it will give us the first record, that is the demo 3. So this way, guys, we can use skip and limit here. So this is all about the function related to the finding the documents here in the Mongo. So I hope, guys, you have understood these functions, like how we can use find, count, sort, skip and the limit function in the MongoDB. So for this episode, this much, guys, and in the next episode I am going to describe you the MongoDB operators. So that is very interesting topic. Don't miss that episode. And in that episode, I am going to show you some complex query as well. So till that time, just keep watching and do the practical. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching.